Good night. My name is Jenny Quastumar. What important is the intelligent protect, green protect as the within factor to stand out the company marketing. It's important the claim of the intellectual property brings and different factor to stand out in competitive market and because this protection is a unique product in gives create author the right to exclude its parts. Important is the access the appropriate of different value met of the ins the two competitive in market condition of the technology innovation. The evolution of the access, especially in technology, as the moves to gain the stress as people and the interest in the transfer in the text asset. It is important to be capable of the developing a negotiation of technology access in order to be the organization y business goals. It's important since companies are in the constant technology channel to address questions and their asset objectives or avoid fraud illusions. Important is to find solutions to improve Colombian enterprise digital transformation. Because in its provinces, ability to offer next product is service, manage data, improve user experience, manage